We have got a Miele fridge. The customers complain is when they close the door once in a while, they hear noise, which you can see. So the noise is coming from the fan, which is located right here inside. Sometimes the fan gets bad, sometimes because of the frost buildup, it causes issues. So you have to open a lot of panelings to get to the fan, all of these bits and pieces. And the model and serial number on this unit is k1801vi-31 serial. To confirm what the problem is on this unit, you have to remove everything apart here and check for defrost issue. If you don't have defrost issue, you have to replace your fan. Remember, this flapper is also making noise sometimes, but that's not very common. The common problem is the fan up top, and that's causing this issue. You just have to replace it, and that fixes the problem if you do not have any defrost issue. If you have defrost issue, then you're gonna have to find out what's causing this issue.